Hi, people. I just wanted to share with you a short story today from my work experience at Chanel on how you can scale on human impressions. Chanel, the luxury brand, invites people to join their unique workshops. People joining the workshops are either staff members or B2B clients. The brand connects with people by providing an exceptional experience that turns them immediately into brand ambassadors. And what's beautiful about this is that you can just do the same today. Delight your most valuable people because they will spread their unique experience with other people. And this is scaling on human impressions. And Chanel is a great example on how you can create meaningful experiences to delight people, build long lasting relationships, and to scale on human impressions. I hope this is useful to you. But always remember, as long as the Matterhorn stands, everything is going to be alright. Well, cheers, people from Glo. It's getting windy, a storm is supposed to come up, so be safe and talk to you soon again. Bye.